back to our Igbo podcast. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the mystical world of the Igbos, an ethnic group with a rich cultural heritage rooted in Nigeria. Join me, your host, Ada Igwe Umori, as we explore their ancient rituals and supernatural beliefs that have captivated generations. Before we dive deep into the subject matter, let's take a moment to set the stage. The Igbo people are renowned for their historical significance and diverse traditions, rooted in spirituality and folklore. Their culture is alive with stories of gods and goddesses, ancestral reverence, divination practices, and intriguing rituals that connect them to unseen forces. One of the most prominent aspects of the Igbo people's mystical world lies within their rituals. These ceremonies serve various purposes, from appeasing ancestral spirits to seeking divine intervention or celebrating important milestones. Among these rituals is the Aaji Festival, which we have discussed before in my previous video. Celebrated annually during harvest time, it holds deep spiritual significance. The Igbo believe that Aaji passes the earth goddess Allah by offering her new harvested yams, known as the king of crops. This act ensures bountiful harvest for future seasons. Then there's another intriguing ritual called Ikenga. Within Igbo cosmology, Ikenga represents personal achievement and power. Small wooden figures with one hand supporting a sword or machete symbolize strength, while the other holds a severed human head signifying success over adversaries. It serves as a personal shrine where individuals seek divine guidance and blessings from endeavors in life. While delving into the world of ancient Igbo's mysticism requires understanding their rituals, it will be remiss not to mention their belief in supernatural beings and deities. These entities play a significant role in Igbo spirituality, folklore, and daily life. At the core of Igbo religious belief is the concept of Chi, an individual's personal deity or guardian spirit. The Chi guides one's destiny, influences decisions, and protects against harm. It represents a deep connection between the living and the spiritual realm. Beyond their deities and rituals, it's vital to explore Igbo's divination practices, an integral part of understanding their mysticism fully. The Igbo rely heavily on diviners known as dibia to seek guidance from the gods by interpreting signs through rituals like throwing cowries, which is small shells or bones. These spiritual intermediaries access hidden knowledge from ancestors or deities to help people navigate challenges or make informed decisions about important matters. Interestingly enough, another form of divination involves an oracle named Awo. Priests who serve Awo become vessels for divine communication during ceremonies through trance-like states. They offer advice regarding remedies for diseases or provide insights into communal issues through direct communication with spirits. Now that we have scratched the surface of Igbo's mystical world, their rituals, deities, and divination practices, let us reflect briefly on how this appreciation for ancient beliefs continues today. Although modernity has brought advancements and changes to Nigeria as a whole, including urbanization and globalization, the Igbo people have managed to preserve their mystical heritage. Traditional ceremonies such as the annual New Yam Festival continue to be celebrated alongside religious practices introduced through colonialism, creating a unique blend of ancient and modern spiritual expressions. As we bring this captivating journey to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the beauty and depth of Igbo's mystical world. It serves as a testament to the enduring power of cultural traditions and their ability to connect with something greater than ourselves, a testament that cannot be overlooked or dismissed lightly. Thank you very much for joining me today as we explore the mystical world of Igbos, ancient rituals and supernatural. Stay curious about the world around you and remember that within every culture lies hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep smiling and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.